Hello everyone. So here is my desktop. So I have to install Microsoft Office. Okay, so I have Microsoft Office 7 and this is another laptop. So here now driver pack is installing. Okay, so after doing the format and reinstalling the Windows, we have to install the driver pack. So I have the pen drive and I have already inserted. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Word. So it's in removable disk. Okay, so Microsoft Office Enterprises 2007 I have with the serial number. So just here you have to run the setup. Okay, so setup. Okay, so I have to install the product key. Okay, so we have here in this my folder, here is the product key. So it's in document format. So here it is. So I'm going to copy. Okay, copy, and I'm going to paste here. So it's already genuine. Okay, so you have to click continue. Okay, so accept the terms and agreements and again continue and install now. So here my Microsoft Office is installing. So I am skipping this video because it's gonna be very long. Okay, yeah, now it has been successfully installed. Okay, just you have to close. Okay, so let's see. Yes, now you can use Microsoft Office. Okay,